Violate me, black, what did you think? Like I won't come back with a ting and ring. One shot will make your whole body spin. Big 4-5 is so not a ting. Anyway, let me get back to the past. I heard your mixtape, you're overly bin. If we're in a clash, I'll overly win. Go blind with a Mac, then wild out. Bang, 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 everybody let's lie down. I'm the guy now, make you wild out. I'm the guy now, I've got my now. I hope your old school MC don't die out. Die out, die out, die out, die out. Roll with a team of Barkers is bait. You can get hit with a 9 or 8. Don't think you can't get hit when I tell I've been doing this thing since way back when. Ever since TK was like 9 or 10. Then time there I was going on late.